Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use booking events. On the diary screen, create a new booking for an existing patient by either double-clicking on the preferred time slot on the diary screen or by clicking on the new booking button in the top right corner. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Under Booking Details, select the type, status, and time of the booking. Search for the correct data in the data search field and click on the correct patient's name. For an extensive explanation on how to make a booking, please refer to the user manual in this video's description. Click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the existing patient's booking. Once the booking has been made, all the booking event templates that have been scheduled during the setup will go out automatically to the debtor and patient for who the booking was made, depending on the setup that was done. For an extensive explanation on how to check whether the communication was sent successfully, please refer to the user manual in this video's description.